There's big news shaking up the world of money. Cloudflare just posted earnings so strong that its stock price soared over 14% in a single morning. That's not just a blip. It's a major leap that's caught the attention of investors everywhere and sent a clear message across the tech industry. When a stock moves that much, it's a signal. Something big is happening behind the scenes. This isn't just about a tech company having a good quarter. It's about the future of the internet itself, and how innovative companies like Cloudflare are quietly shaping the way we all connect, work, and do business online. You might not recognize the name Cloudflare, but chances are, you've relied on its services without even knowing it. It's one of those silent giants working behind the scenes to keep the internet fast, secure, and reliable. And when a company like that starts accelerating, it's definitely worth paying attention to. We're here to break down what this means for you, not just for Wall Street insiders. I want you to feel empowered and confident when you hear news like this, not overwhelmed or intimidated by financial jargon. We'll dig into the real numbers, share what the company's leaders are saying, and explore why so many experts are excited about Cloudflare's future. You'll get the insights you need to understand what's really going on. Remember, this is about more than just one stock. It's about building your financial knowledge so you can make smart, informed decisions for your future. So let's dive in together and discover why Cloudflare's big win is making headlines, and what valuable lessons you can take away from it. Let's get started. Imagine the internet as a massive city, alive with constant movement, information, and connections. Every second, billions of people are sending messages, shopping, streaming, and working online, all relying on invisible infrastructure to keep things running. Cloudflare builds the superhighways and security checkpoints that keep this digital city running smoothly. It's the company making sure your data travels safely and efficiently, no matter where you are in the world. When you visit a website, Cloudflare is often working behind the scenes to load pages quickly, block hackers, and keep your experience seamless. It's a foundational piece of the modern internet, providing a global content delivery network, CDN, that stores copies of websites around the world. This means that whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or Paris, you get faster, safer browsing. Cloudflare's network spans hundreds of cities, making the web more reliable for everyone. Cloudflare also acts as a security guard, blocking threats like DDoS attacks. Think of it as crowd control for the web. It filters out malicious traffic, protects sensitive information, and helps businesses stay online even during cyber attacks. This digital protection is crucial as cyber threats become more sophisticated. Cloudflare sells the picks and shovels in the internet gold rush. It's not a flashy app or a social network, it's the infrastructure that makes everything else possible, supporting millions of websites, apps, and businesses behind the scenes. And it's not standing still. Cloudflare is building new services, including those powered by artificial intelligence. These innovations help companies adapt to new challenges and keep the internet evolving. The key takeaway: Cloudflare is a platform, a foundation for the future of the internet. It's shaping how we connect, communicate, and do business online. Understanding this is the first step to seeing why investors are so excited about Cloudflare's potential. Let's look at the numbers and see what's driving all the buzz. Let's dive into the numbers. Cloudflare's financial report card tells quite a story. Last quarter, Cloudflare brought in $614.5 million in revenue, easily beating Wall Street's expectations by a wide margin and showing just how strong their business momentum is right now. Analysts had predicted $591 million, so Cloudflare didn't just meet the bar, they cleared it with room to spare, surprising even the most optimistic forecasts. On the profit side, Cloudflare earned 28 cents per share, just above the 27 cents expected. Even a single cent can make a big difference in the world of high-growth tech. In this industry, even a small beat matters. It signals efficiency, operational discipline, and real momentum that investors love to see. But what really got investors buzzing wasn't just the past performance, it was Cloudflare's bold guidance for the future. The company now projects up to $2.8 billion in revenue for 2026, which is significantly higher than what analysts had penciled in. This is Cloudflare's way of saying, "You thought this year was impressive? Just wait until you see what we have planned for next year and beyond." Forward-looking confidence like this often moves stock prices more than any past results ever could, because it shapes expectations. It's like hiring someone who not only did a great job last year, but also comes in with a bold, ambitious plan for the future. Investors want to be part of that journey. Cloudflare delivered a strong past and painted a picture of an even stronger future, giving everyone a reason to cheer. That's why the stock soared after the announcement. Investors are betting on continued growth. The market now sees Cloudflare's growth accelerating, not slowing down, and that's a powerful narrative. So what's fueling all this optimism and momentum? Let's talk about the real engine behind Cloudflare's growth: AI. The hottest word on Wall Street? AI, artificial intelligence. Cloudflare's CEO calls AI a fundamental re-platforming of the internet, and Cloudflare wants to be the backbone for this new era. In the future, AI agents will do much of the work online, creating massive new traffic. Cloudflare manages that traffic. It's the toll booth, the highway, and the security guard for AI-driven activity. The company's Workers AI product lets developers run AI models on Cloudflare's global network, making AI faster and cheaper. Processing happens closer to users, enabling instant responses. 80% of leading AI companies already use Cloudflare in some way. Investors aren't just buying today's company, they're betting on Cloudflare as a key player in the AI-powered internet. The company's fastest growth in new contracts since 2021 is tied to this AI vision. That's the story behind the numbers. What do the pros think? Wall Street analysts are bullish. Bank of America called Cloudflare's results record-breaking and said it's uniquely positioned for the AI boom. Baird upgraded the stock, citing multiple growth engines firing at once. Even cautious analysts at Jefferies see Cloudflare as a clear AI winner, despite its high price. When experts across the board agree, it's a strong signal. But remember, never invest just because analysts say so. Do your own homework. Still, the consensus is clear. Cloudflare is in a powerful position for future growth. Let's look at the stock itself. Cloudflare's stock, ticker NET, tells a story. Before earnings, it was down nearly 9% for the year, while the market was up. Then, after the earnings report, it jumped over 14%, erasing losses and surging ahead. This shows how quickly fortunes can change in the market. But there's a catch: valuation. Cloudflare trades at 23 times expected sales, one of the highest in software. That means investors are paying a premium for future growth. High valuation brings high risk. If growth slows, the stock can fall hard. This is a high-octane growth stock, not a safe utility. The opportunity is big, but so is the risk. Smart investors weigh both. Let's decode some key terms so you can follow the story. Revenue, total money a company brings in. Earnings per share, EPS. Profit divided by the number of shares shows how much each share earns. Adjusted EPS removes one-time items to show core profit. Guidance. The company's forecast for future revenue and profit. When guidance beats expectations, it's a vote of confidence. Valuation. What investors are willing to pay for each dollar of sales or profit. High valuation means high expectations for growth. Master these basics, and you're 90% of the way to understanding any earnings story. You've got this. What does Cloudflare's story mean for you? First, always be a student. Stay curious about trends like AI that shape the economy. Second, know the difference between price and value. Cloudflare stock is expensive because investors see big future value. Don't chase rising prices. Understand the story and believe in the long-term value. Most important, think long-term. Wealth is built by holding great companies, not jumping in and out. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stories like this are checkpoints, opportunities to learn and check your strategy. Whether Cloudflare belongs in your portfolio depends on your goals and risk tolerance. But the lessons: stay informed, understand value, think long-term, apply to every investment. Let's wrap up. The most important investment isn't a stock, it's in yourself. By learning about money and companies like Cloudflare, you're building your financial future. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius, just willing to learn and take action. Spend less than you make, invest the difference, and diversify. High-growth stocks like Cloudflare can be part of your plan, but not the whole plan. Take 1 hour this week to focus on your finances. Make a budget, review your investments, or learn something new. The habit of action matters more than any single move. Knowledge and action are the keys to financial freedom. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep moving toward your goals. If you do, your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more insights and stay in control of your money.